Hi friends, welcome to a new video of MiniatureDiecast. Today we are going to unbox 67 Chevy C10 pickup truck from Hot Wheels. This one is from Hot Wheels Art Cards Series 2024 NCase. This Chevy is an iconic American truck that blends classic design with robust performance. It features a sleek action-lined body with smooth curves. Let's unbox this big boy. It feels little heavy in my hand. So, the first impression of this casting, this looks very beautiful. The paint job looks very nice. In front, plastic made chrome finish design. It looks really nice in this matte red paint job and sticker all over the body. From the above, also it's looking fantastic with the chrome finish. In rear, there is no details except this plastic made chrome finish bumper. Wheels are very smooth and looks fantastic in this ivory color theme. Now let's look at the chassis. Plastic chassis, made in Malaysia written. Detailings are there of drive shafts and exhaust pipes. We can see some interior details also in chrome finish. Artwork's looking very nice. It says keep driving. Now let's do a roll test. Wheels are rolling nice like all Hot Wheels car. Especially for the paint and artwork on the car body itself, I thought to keep it in my collection. Thank you for joining us on this incredible unboxing adventure on MiniatureDiecast. We're thrilled to share these moments with you. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe for more exciting car unboxing videos. Happy collecting!